Hello students, let us continue with exercise 7.1 of chapter 7, triangles. So, we completed the first question in the previous class. Let's move on to the second and the third. So, the second one, we need to prove something based on the given data. So, the given data is already being marked in the diagram. Let's read it out. We have AD equal to BC and DAB is equal to CBA. We need to prove that the two triangles are congruent. So, let us mark our triangles over here because this figure looks a little complicated. I need to prove that ABD is equal to BAC. So, let us mark ABD. I have A, B and D and BAC. So, B, A and C. What do I have common between these two triangles? I have AB, right? So, I will leave this in white itself. Correct? So, we are going to consider these two triangles. Now, how are we going to prove them congruent? First of all, if you see, you have AD is equal to BC, this is given. You have angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, this is also given, and you have a common side AB for both the triangles. So, for triangle ABD, it's going to be side AB, and for triangle BAC, it's going to be BA, right. So, I am going to say AB is equal to BA because here we have a correspondence, right. So, ABD and BAC, right. So, the two triangles are going to be congruent. So, this part will be proved. Now, we need to prove after this that BD is equal to AC. So, obviously, we can say that BD is equal to AC through corresponding parts of congruent triangles, and also for ABD and BAC. So, ABD is going to be obviously equal to BAC for corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now, let us go ahead and prove this. So, I will say proof in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. What do I have? AD is equal to BC, which is given. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. This is also given. Now, AB is equal to BA, and I will say common side for both triangles. Correct? Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by the side angle side test. Correct? Therefore, the first part is proved. Now, let us go on prove the second and third parts. Therefore, I can say that BD is equal to AC by CPCT. CPCT is what? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And the third part is also CPCT, but this would be for angles instead of sides. So, ABD is going to be equal to BAC, correct? Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC, CPCT. Hence, all the three parts have been proved. Here, then here, and then here, right. Let us move on to question number 3. We have the given figure, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to AB, which implies AD and BC are equal. We need to prove that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB means AB is getting bisected by CD. So, which means we have to prove that OB is equal to OA or BA is equal to AO, right, which is nothing but that O is the midpoint of AB. So, we need to prove that either O is the midpoint of AB or OB is equal to OA. So, let us see how we are going to do this. If you see, you have AD equal to BC, this is given, then you have perpendicular angles over here. Therefore, I have CBA, or I will say DAO is equal to CBO, correct? Why? They are right angles. Also, angle COB is equal to angle DOA because they are vertically opposite angles. So, I am just marking the vertically opposite angles with a red chalk for our understanding, because this is not something that has been given, we are writing it according to our observation. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent. How? You have an angle, angle and side, angle, angle and side. Therefore, the two triangles OAD and OBC are congruent by the angle, angle, side of congruency. Therefore, I can say that OA is equal to OB. That means O is the midpoint of AB, which means that now see, CD and AB are meeting at point O, correct? Therefore, it means that CD is bisecting AB, correct? So, let us solve this now. I will say proof. In triangle OAD and triangle OBC, I have AD is equal to BC, which is given. Then angle CBO is equal to angle DAO. Each angle is equal to 90 degrees, correct? And angle I need to write DAO over here because we are giving reference to triangle OAD. So, angle DAO is equal to angle DAO is going to be equal to angle CBO. Did you understand why I erased? I had written CBO over here, which means CBO belongs to triangle OAD, which is wrong. Therefore, I need to write for triangle OAD first and triangle OBC later on, which is why I erased and rewrote this. Okay. And also now for my triangle OAD, I have AOD, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles, correct? Therefore, triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OBC by the AAS test. Therefore, what can I say? Therefore, OA is equal to OB. Why? Corresponding paths of congruent triangles, correct? This means O is the midpoint of AB, but CD and AB intersect at point O, correct? Therefore, I will say from 1, 2 and 3, CD bisects AB. From 1, 2 and 3. Pretty simple, wasn't it? So yes, we've completed 3 questions of 7.1. Let's take a look at the remaining questions in the next classes. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.